Hi, it's Chris Delsey. I am here again to share with you some clean, non-toxic products. It's been a little while since I shared, but I wanted to come to you today. If I'm honest with myself, I am still really dealing with side effects from radiation, and I haven't gotten over the extreme fatigue. So I have to try to do a lot on days that I have energy, and I wanted to make sure I came to you all today, since I have a little energy today, to share with you some clean products. As I said before, I was diagnosed with HER2 positive breast cancer in March, and my cancer was deemed environmental, which means I did not have a gene. It was not hereditary, hormonal. It wasn't anything like that. So when it's environmental, it can come from a number of different factors. It can come from toxins in the environment, in your skincare, makeup, cleaning supplies, radiation from your cell phone, television. We just don't know. So I've been doing my part to just try to eliminate as many toxins from my life as possible, and to share that information with you all also. Today, I'm focusing on cleaning supplies. I totally switched out my cleaning supplies. It's made a difference. I'm sure you're all familiar with the strong smells from your bleach or different cleaning products that you use, but since I've switched, I don't have to inhale those toxic smells and ingredients, and I still get the same level of clean that I was getting before. All of the products that I am using or showing to you today, I got from Sprouts grocery store. Many of them can also be found at Target. So I don't even know if I'm pronouncing this one correctly, but this is called Bon Ami. This is like your Ajax. I use this to clean my bathtub, my sink, and it says it has no harsh chemicals and it's non-toxic. Bon Ami. And I got this from Sprouts. Meyer's Clean Day. This is what I use to wash my dishes. Meyer's can also be found in Target. I've seen it sometimes even at TJ Maxx. But you can definitely find it at Sprouts and probably Whole Foods as well. This one, it says that it's made without parabens, MEA, and DEA, or artificial colors. It is a plant-derived cleaning product. The final product that I want to share with you is this all-purpose cleaner. This one is called 7th Generation, and I use this to clean everything in my bathroom. The mirror, the tub, the toilet, the sink, even the floor. This is also, again, a plant-derived cleaning product, and it lists all the different surfaces on the back of the bottle that it can be used to clean. It can be used on ceramic, granite, glass, stainless steel, a number of different surfaces. So again, this one is 7th Generation all-purpose cleaner, and I got this one from Sprouts. I hope you find this information helpful. Again, I would love for you to share with me also the non-toxic products that you are using in your homes. And I wish you well, beauties. Until next time, bye-bye.